What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set or reset your ink levels on your Epson EcoTank printer after you've refilled your ink. Now, the way to do this guys is, as you can see here on the Epson Smart Panel app on my printer, you can see that we have a wildly inaccurate ink level on our printer. So you can see here, everything is basically full on the Smart Panel app, which just isn't correct. As you can see here, we have there all over the place. And that's okay guys, so are we as human beings. Now, the way to change your ink levels is as so, guys. So you want to go over to the control panel here. And guys, I will mention that I am using an ET2900 series. However, if you do have a different model of EcoTank, especially one that has a control panel like this, or just a different one maybe here, that will be completely okay. They all have the same software and hardware, so they will work exactly the same. So guys, what you want to do to change your ink levels so they are more accurately reflected. And guys, in doing this, you know, maybe if your ink levels aren't correctly set, then you might run into some issues when doing cleanings or stuff like that. You want them to be accurate so you get the best out of your printer. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to maintenance on the home page, and then you want to go here. As you can see, I'm just going to zoom in. We're going to go to set ink level. So we're going to press OK. And here, guys, as you can see, we have all the ink levels. So as you can see, so we're going to do our black ink, and we're going to fill it up to approximately where we think it is, which is around here or here. And then here we have the cyan, guys. We're going to fill that to where we think it is, which is the second bar just on it, just like that. And then the magenta, we are going to go a little bit higher. And then we're going to press OK. And then for the yellow, guys, a little bit lower. So once this is done, guys, you just press OK. Just going to take a second. And then we're going to press this button to complete. And the ink levels are set. And they are accurately set now, guys. I'm going to show you on the Smart Panel app that this has indeed worked. So immediately they are accurately reflected. And now everything you do with your printer will be accurate. You know, if they aren't set correctly, your printer might try and do things which it doesn't have the ink for. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, really appreciate a like and subscribing, as that would help us out so much. And guys, if you do need any printer supplies, any paper, ink, or even a new printer, guys, check the link in the description as our printer supplier and sponsor. They do really cheap and high quality printer supplies. They do on brand and off brand. So if you check them out, guys, you'd be helping a small business and you'd be helping us, which would be really, really appreciated. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.